Hi. Today is March 21st. It has been all day. I didn't know the date. 2020. Tampy's getting ready to put in the the new entry for hive number 3 that we talked about in the video from yesterday. That's what we built. Isn't that kind of nice? Tampy designed and
bees go in. Cut
it all and designed it all, and I just kind of smoothed out the edges so nobody gets cut, because those cuts are as sharp as knives, so we made sure nobody get hurt.
So we made a little door, and we can slide adjust it a little bit.
Why do you have to do that, Tampy?
Well, when we get new bees, we like to keep them in the hive as much as possible so they get used to their new home, and that way they can protect it better. When the opening is that big, it's hard for new bees to protect their home.
Do you ever have the opening that big, Tampy?
What's that?
Do you ever have the opening wide open?
Yep.
Oh.
Once they get established and it gets warmer out, we open it right up. So for now, we'll leave it like this. I still have to drill one more hole in the middle, and then I can make the opening be like that. And in the winter time, we close it down so there's less cold air coming in their front door. So what I did is, with Grammy's help, we made this together.
Oh, can I show them what it looks like here?
Yep, and that's what it's going to look like there. That's screwed in.
Oh, okay, never mind. So that's what it's going to look like,
Yep.
Okay.
That's going to go right in there. I made it a little too tight. I'm going to have to move things around a little bit. But I had to draw some lines at the same height as the stand. So this sits right on there. And I'm going to go outside. And I already drew the lines on the outside from the hole to each side and up and down. And I'm going to cut it out with my little saw.
Okay, we'll watch you do that, okay? We'll go out this way, you go out the other way. Because later I'll show you what we have in our toolbox. This is my magnifying glass. I have to bring that in so I can see the seedlings. But I'll go through and show you what we have in the toolbox. Okay, so here we are. We're going out the other side of the little bee house. We're going around. It's kind of a nice day in the neighborhood. A little chilly, but it's nice. Spring is really... I don't know if today's the first day of spring. If it is, happy first day of spring. So here's Tampy. Hope you
Remember, this is the electric fence, but it's turned off right now. You kids never, ever touch the wire. You'll have a little surprise.
Granny has touched the wire.
Okay.
We used to play truth or dare. We used to dare each other to touch the wire.
We'll cut the hole.
You might want to turn your volume down because I don't know how to adjust it here.
I gotta do the other one.
Okay, turn your volume down.
Okay, there's another one. Now we got to cut the two up this way and knock it out. I might have to get a handsaw to finish the cuts. Yeah, I think so. Okay. I'll be right back, Grammy.
Okay, we'll look at it. There you go. And Tampy will finish it up. Oh, I'm sorry, I had my hand over, I think, the thing, so you couldn't hear me, because the saw's really loud. And I don't know about you, but having really loud sounds on a video hurts my ears, and it's very annoying. So I try to warn you when to turn down your volume. So while we're waiting for Tampy to find his saw, maybe we'll go for a ride on the bike. Let's do that. We'll go for a ride on the bike. Or we could look in Tampy's truck to see where he would find a saw. Oh, he has a saw. Looks like he's getting a reciprocating saw. Oh, Tampy, toolman Tampy. Here he comes. All right, we'll wait. Here he comes. Look at his saw. What do you got, Tampy?
Sawzall, cordless.
Oh, whoa. Okay.
Power
okay.
tools, yay.
I'm telling you, the man's crazy.
Just finish that last little cut into the corner.
Oops, see how it's popping out? Yay, Tampy! So there you go.
We got a hole in the shed.
There's a hole in the shed. Now, Tampy, what do you think? Listen, I don't know how to pause the... Oh, Tampy, you broke your...
Nah, they just knocked some paint off.
No, the tip broke.
No.
Oh.
It's just paint.
Oh. Well, I'm staying away. I'm going to take my eyes off. Okay. Power tools. Ugh.
Trim a little bit and move things around.
You're going back inside now?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Okay,
get the tunnel.
Back inside. What? I'll stop it and then make another one.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye,
Say bye.
kids.